Hello, this is Marie Lundi, your trusted real estate advisor. And so if you are a homeowner who is planning to put their home on the market, you probably have a long to-do list of things to repair or projects to take on before putting your house on the market. And so today I want to talk to you about where to put your attention so that you'll have the best results once you are on the market. And so if you were one of my clients and you had a list of things to do before putting your house on the market, after looking at that list, I would most likely tell you to focus on what matters to today's buyers, right? In other words, only make repairs that are 100% necessary. I do not recommend, however, that you take on large projects just to put your house on the market. For example, I would not recommend redoing the entire kitchen or remodeling the bathroom just to put the property on the market, because guess what? Your taste may not be that of the person who's going to buy the house, right? And there's no guarantee that you will increase the value of your property just because you've redone the kitchen or remodeled the bathroom. So those are the types of large projects that are not only costly, but will also delay you going on the market. And quite honestly, they don't have a large impact. And so once you repair the items that are clearly broken, that need attention, there are some small projects that you can take on that will actually go a long way. So for example, just painting the front door, right? Or if you have a storm door that is broken or not working or is older, just changing that, right? Because that will be one of the first things that your prospective buyers will see walking into your home. So changing the front door, painting the front door, just cleaning up the landscaping, that will go a long way. And I know you've heard this before, but decluttering your house, right? So you want to highlight how much space you have in your property. And guess what? If you are planning to move, now is a good time to start packing, right? Or donating certain items. So certainly go through the exercise of going through each and every room, especially on the first floor, right? That will be, once again, the first impression that the buyer will have of your home. So as much as possible, make it clutter-free, start packing, put things away, and also do a deep clean of the property. Give it a fresh, clean look. Those are the types of things that will have a positive impact on prospective showings. In addition to decluttering and a deep clean, if it is within your budget, repainting certain rooms in the house, once again, that will go a long way. The best return on one's investment in terms of projects to a home is actually painting, right? So it's relatively inexpensive to have a room painted, but the impact that it has on the buying public, once again, goes a long way. And so these are some tips and pointers of the type of project you can take on before putting the house on the market that will have the best impact. And so if you're interested to discuss this further, please don't hesitate to contact me. Once again, this is Marie Lundi, here to help.